Hi, second graders. This is Mrs. Anderson, and I'm going to do a quick video for you today about writing and about thinking of ideas for your personal narrative. One of the things that I want to remind you of is that writers write about the things they love. So when you're thinking about what to write about for your personal narrative, try to choose something that you're really excited about, or that you love, or that makes you feel good or makes you feel happy. That will make it a lot easier to do your writing. Here are a few things that you could write about. First of all, think of a person who matters to you. So think of maybe it's a grandmother, maybe it's an uncle, and you could use that person to think of something special that you did with them. Remember, a personal narrative is a true story that happened to you. So if you're thinking about your uncle, maybe it's a special time that your uncle taught you how to do something or took you somewhere. So think about a person who matters to you. Think about first times or last times, or maybe a time that you realized something. A true story that happened to me was the first time that I took my parents' car when I was learning how to drive. And I could write a really good personal narrative about that experience. Likewise, I could also write a personal narrative about a time that I accidentally hit a deer with my car. That is a true story that happened to me that was in the past. Think about a place that matters. So maybe you have a special fort in your backyard or a special place at a park that you could write a story about. Remember, it's a true story that happened to you. Think of a strong feeling. So maybe it's something that you really, really love. And so you could write a true story about something that happened to you around that thing. Or maybe it's a time when you got hurt, like maybe you fell and broke your arm, or maybe it's a time when you felt really, really sad, and you could write your narrative about that. Another thing that I want to remind you of is that a lot of times authors get ideas from other authors. So read another author's words to spark your own ideas. So second graders, you are going to try and think of something that you love that you could write a story about. It could be a person, it could be a special time, it could be a place that sparks your idea of what you could write your personal narrative about. It could be a strong feeling. After you do that part, or you think about something, you are going to go into Seesaw and do this personal narrative ideas assignment. So you will have a blank heart that has all these puzzle pieces inside of it, and you will try and fill in some of the puzzle pieces. You don't have to fill in all of the puzzle pieces, but you're getting ideas about what you could write about. So one thing that I could write about is the day that my dog came to school when I was in third grade. I could also write about a special time that I went kayaking with my niece Rebecca. I also thought about writing about the day that we picked up Scout when he was a puppy. And again, I was thinking about the first time I did something on my own, like the first time I took my paddleboard out onto the lake and I actually stood up. That was kind of a big deal. So second graders, after you think of a few things, you are going to go into Seesaw and record some ideas in this activity called Personal Narrative Writing Ideas. Thanks, second graders. Happy writing!